Hey Kim, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking this video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I told you about of 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, large remodel. These guys are the ones that when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, show up the first result on the map. And even though here they're the fourth one, in no time they'll be the first ones, and you'll see why by the end of this video. Anyways, you could be there really easily and beat everybody by just implementing these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I make this video for you, and this is just because I know a lot of business owners, they're really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to tell who's a professional and an expert, basically, and who's not. So I made these educational videos and I send them to business owners so they can take this information, and a lot of them they use it for themselves and implement it themselves. But some of them they contact me and they have me do it for them. So either option is good for me. I just do this for purely educational purposes, okay? And that said, let's go with the video. I want to tell you about the 3 main things that the Google search engine uses in order to rank a website at the very top. And those are content, backlinks, and citations. I'm going to start with content. Content is basically everything that is on your website. So you have a really good looking website with a pretty good amount of content already, which is really good. So if we take all the content and we paste it right here, we can see that you have 596 words. Okay, content is basically all the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. If we go to large remodel, we see as well that they have a lot of content, and when we copy and paste it on the word counter, we can see that these guys have about 1500 words. Okay, also, Google basically, on average, likes to see around 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on the front page. Keyword-rich means that you drop several times throughout the content that you write the keywords that people are looking up regarding the services that you're offering. By that I mean San Diego Kitchen Remodel. You wanna put that phrase a couple times over there. Then kitchen remodelers in San Diego other couple times, stuff like that. Okay, the things that the people are looking up. So when they look it up, Google can find you. All right. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks are basically another website mentioning your website on a link that when somebody click it, drives the traffic back to your site. And for that, Google works kind of like a popularity contest, okay? They love to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And as you can imagine, they always rather other websites with related to the business that you're doing. So it's not the same, even though you can get a backlink from it, it's not the same that a website that talks about shoes or about food gives you a link to your website that when another company that does remodeling as well mentions you, okay? Those backlinks are way more powerful under Google size. To check how many backlinks a website has or how can you do that, you can go to a tool like Ahrefs. This is the one that we use in Purple Room. It's a tool that it tells you a little bit of information about the links, okay? And we put your website right here. I can see that you have 104 referring domains. When you go to large remodel, you can see that they just have 73. But again, you remember what I told you about that not all backlinks are created equal? How can they be ranking higher than you if they just have 73 domains? Well, first because they have way more content and really good keyword oriented content, and then because these 73 domains are more strong than your 104. So the best way you can beat them is you already had all this. So now you go to their site and you go one by one, all the links that they have here. You make an account and you put a backlink to your website on that account. Okay, by copying them, if these backlinks are good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. All right. So with that strategy, you will be beating them on content and on backlinks in no time, and you will be scaling positions here like a rocket. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. A citation is what is going to put you right here in the map. As you see, they're already the first ones here. And by that, all you need to do is free and it's as simple as putting your business information which is basically what a citation is, your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, etc. So by putting more citations than your competition, you'll rank higher than them. And by that, same as with the backlinks, I would go to your competition, copy all the citations that they have, and maybe add another 100 at least. So that way, when they realize that you outrank them and they try to start building more citations, you can always just go ahead and start building citations as well. So you make really, really hard for them to ever catch up to you. Okay. So that said, let's do a little recap. You will need 2000 to improve the content with about 2000 words of keyword rich content. You will need to build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing it by just copying the backlinks of your competition and also the citations in order to rank here. Once you implement those three things, you'll be on the very top of Google in no time. And my recommendation, if you're interested in this, is either by yourself or with my help, get started as soon as possible because implementing all this stuff takes some time. And the sooner you finish, the sooner you're going to start getting all that extra calls and all that extra business. All right. So if you like what I just told you, please give me a call and we can talk about it if you're interested. But the only thing I would really ask for is if you can give me a little feedback on the video. That would really help me tremendously. Okay. Thank you.